Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCOVER 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Advanced Features. Then you need to click on Dual Messenger at the bottom. Following that, just click on the sweater next to an app that you wish to clone. As you can see, I have only Facebook available, so now I have to click on this sweater next to it and just install in the web app. Then choose Confirm. Enable or disable Use Separate Contact List by tapping on this sweater, and finally select Next. Then, if you decided to not create separate contact list, select Yes. And after that, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my Facebook was successfully cloned. In order to delete cloned app, go into exactly the same settings and tap on the same No Blue sweater. Then select Uninstall and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!